to show you what this hotel offers. We're also going to take you off-site, show you somewhere that we ate, take you nearby to a local mall. Stay till the end of the video and we'll let you know our honest review of this place, and we'll show you how we stayed here for free. Room 1115. Closet, storage unit, safe, hangers, iron board, soap, tissues, body lotion, towel, hair dryer, extra toilet paper, toilet. Here's the shower area, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel for your ice, cups, coffee maker, tea, coffee. It looks like sugar and stuff. The room came with 2 waters, storage, and you have your fridge, luggage space, TV, drawers, desk, telephone, Wi-Fi, outlets, mini lamp with more outlets, sitting area. There's 2 queen-size beds, AC controller. This is our view. A couple of buildings, skyscrapers, Crown El Panama Casino. Check out this little bus right here, all lit up. Dinner time. We're gonna check out the on-site restaurant in the lobby area. On the left-hand side. This is the kitchen area. Yeah, mira. Se ve rico eso. That looks good. And then they have a mini bar here. And then this is your sitting area here. Chicken fajitas, Peruvian ceviche, fried calamari, fried yuca. Meat soup with vegetables. Here at the Hilton Garden Inn, dinner time. We're back in the room. We had the catch of the day, fried fish. Seemed like it was a little bit overcooked. And we also had the fried calamari, and it seemed like it was also a little bit overcooked, just a tad. So you guys could try the restaurant yourselves, or you have other options around here as well. So the hotel is about an 8-minute Uber drive from Albrook Mall. And today's a holiday, and they just opened the doors. Alright, so we finished here at Albrook Mall. Lots of different stores, food, and there's also a bowling alley, a movie theater, and a lot of service, cell phones, all kinds of stuff that you can come and do here. Very close to where you're staying at the Hilton Garden Inn. Here in Panama, the rainy season goes from late April till about December. So we just left the hotel. It's dinner time. Quick Uber ride. So we're here at the Raj Indian Cuisine. I'm gonna order a chicken tikka masala. Oh, I was gonna get this one. Chettinat fish fry. So we finished our dinner here at the Raj. You could come either walking, about 13-minute walk, or you could take a quick Uber. If you want to know how to ride Ubers here in Panama City, check out our playlist, Panama playlist. You'll see everything Panama there. We're gonna go back to the hotel now and keep showing you the hotel. So this is the gym area here at the 16th floor. You'll need your car key to open the door. Here to the right you have a section of towels, and today you have some apples. Cardio equipment here, a TV right there, some weights, weight machine. When you come out of the elevator, to the left will be the gym. Straight ahead is the jacuzzi, and then to the right will be your meeting room. Boardroom, a meeting room, another meeting room, all in the 16th floor. On the other side here, you have some bigger rooms. There's one there, and then one there. So this is the main entrance to the hotel. On the right hand side you have the restaurant. Right there you have the reception area. And here you have like a waiting area, sitting area. A couple of TVs. Transport service. If you want to reserve, just call that number. Or normally there's a person here also. Here's the reception area. And here you have the shop, snack area. And they do have a microwave here. Ice cream bars and drinks. So this is the breakfast this morning. If the breakfast is included, great. If it's not, then it's around $16 per person. They have 3 elevators. Make sure you use your key card. Jacuzzi area. They do offer laundry service. So in your closet, pick up this bag along with this laundry list. So your laundry bag, you'll place it here on the bed. Dirty clothes in here. Make sure you fill your initials with your room number. Then you fill out your paperwork and then you leave the paper next to the laundry bag. Do not put the list inside. Laundry goes in here, paperwork filled out there. The housekeeper, she'll pick up your laundry and your paperwork, and once your laundry is ready, you'll get a call from the reception area to go pay first. See you later, Hilton. So we're on our way to the airport. We took an Uber. It's about a 20-minute drive. Terminal 2, here we are. So we went to the airport, a quick 20-minute Uber ride. So for the hotel, we stayed for free. We used our Hilton Honor points. If you want to learn more about the Hilton Honor point, I'll leave a link down below. For our hotel review, centrally located, close to everything, on-site restaurant. They do have a transportation shuttle that takes you around. That's for a fee. The not so good, I would say. Breakfast might not be included in the price. There's a jacuzzi, but no pool. Our dinner, when we went there that one time, was okay. If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. If you want to learn how to use the metro here in Panama City, I'll leave a link right here. See you later from Panama City, Panama.
Passengers welcome to Santo Domingo